So we did get sent some questions in when I asked in the group. One of the ones was, can you evict somebody from keeping the unit untidy or filthy? Absolutely. The quote below is from the standard residential tenancy branch contract. And so as you can see, the last lines there that are in bold is that you can discuss with the tenant, then go through dispute resolution for the cost of repairs, serve a notice to end a tenancy or both. Obviously, first step is just to talk to the tenant and say, hey, like, the place is getting pretty trashed here. We're worried about bugs, infestation, damage, mold, so on and so forth, all these things. So you can do that, but it's best to try to work with the tenant first. Do document everything, of course, because you need to prove that the place was trashed, and so somebody won't just clean it and then say that it wasn't. So do document everything. But that being said, of course, like, speak with the tenant and try to work with them before you start bringing in the big guns and trying to evict people, because it's not pleasant for anybody, and it is time and money that you will be spending to do so.